I know, we can set it now for us, for ourselves.
Say, and then lúc nãy tôi post it. Oh, yeah, it's me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, what do you want to say?
Today's our wedding day, August 2nd, 2014.
14.
15 years later. 15 years later.
God planned this, okay? This is what God
We didn't know a long time ago, but today it's for real. So,
Congrats.
my husband.
Yes, and my wife.
I will probably get mad at him a lot, but I'll remember to watch this.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at the smile and then, oh, yeah. You know.
Hey, this is
Yeah.
why we got married.
Move your head towards that. There you go.
Isaiah. Isaiah.
There.
Go ahead.
That's cute. Look here. That's cute right there. Good
Isaiah.
job. He doesn't look happy, but it's so cute. That's good. That's unbelievable. Your ring is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Can you take it off and
That was in Seattle though.
Congratulations, Nene. Hola. Okay, come on.
Oh, today's just so weird.
Yeah, gee.
But we're here.
I know. It's gonna take a few minutes to adjust the car feeling.
I don't think it's gonna be any different, but it feels different.
Good.
it feels differently than regular ring?
No, it's so funny because it's so official.
Official,
now.
that's
it's just
right.
like, oh my gosh, like. Like, where's the wisdom for you? But I want them to kind of look at you and
Am I supposed to look at them too? You can, both of them. Like, I mean, like.
Get wet. Yeah, and not 2 weeks before that, I moved on the
Oh.
Even worse,
I love that. Thank you. Don't say I want to. I'm like, I know. No, don't do that. Does it look good, Manny? Let's do it. Yeah.
So waiting for you. Yeah, no, at least take one picture.
Yeah, I'm like, you want to kind of try to look at Isaiah, look, everybody. Isaiah, look at our here.
Isaiah, look! Hey! Look at here!
Look here.
Look here!
Like, can you squeeze closer to Somebody? Somebody, I know. So when you hold the like, okay, Somebody, go ahead and turn and you put your hands on your belly, and there's one right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look here, okay? Everybody smile. 1, 2, 3. Everyone's happy, right? Cute.
Okay, and just the bridal part.
Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Okay, look here. Are you guys okay? Wait, so what? Fuck it, yep, fuck it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Stay there. Okay, let's do one where you guys are all looking at the bride and groom, and why don't Dolly use somebody kiss? You're like, what? Okay, good.
Should have made it hold longer.
Wait a whole longer.
Should be like.
Let's squeeze together. A little closer. Crystal, yeah, there you go. Go ahead and put your bouquet by your faces. Just like your big cute. There you go. That's cute right there. I know. It feels silly, but it's cute.
Hey, Chisa. How you doing?
Good. Sáng nay hái rồi good.
Thank you.
Nếu
like that.
Okay. You want us to kneel?
Yeah. I mean like two.
Okay, okay. Two brothers.
Do the OG, the old school pose.
Trying to stick to me, man.
Okay. All right,
Okay,
guys.
hold on. I just and then
Okay, ready?
Smile.
Ready?
Look at Uncle. Look at Uncle.
1, 2, and 3.
All over me. Yes.
That's good.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
Okay. Just give me a sec. Let me set this
Okay,
up.
hold on. He's gonna find you.
Okay. Just a sec. Okay. The little thing is blocking your face.
Okay.
That, no, this wing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
good.
Let's do one more time.
One more time.
Okay. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, guys. Ready? Mean face. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, wait, not yet.
He's staying. If he's willing.
Okay, fine.
No?
Take a picture.
Oh, he's not happy. That's okay. All right, guys, let's kind of look over here.
Okay, come here.
He's making other people laugh.
I think you're
cute.
too old for Peekaboo.
Look at his face. He's like
Alright.
talking.
Yeah.
That's cute. You're missing Joe and Chindu. I was like, how are you missing your other brothers? But yeah, that's cute. Let's like focus on you and Sandy for a little bit, and the kids. Too, yeah.
You guys want to jump?
Oh yeah. No.
Check this out, Kuna.
Thank you. Okay, Kate, just stay right there. Just stay right here. Smile.
Yeah. There's like people there.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hold on.
Yep.
Let me get this sweat out first.
Yep.
Sandy sweating? Really? You've never seen that before.
Caitlin, can you turn your head this way? Yep. Can you move towards your daddy a little bit? There you go. And I saw you.
Our new couple sign.
Cute. I'm gonna focus on the ring. And I relax your hands a little bit.